Hey guys, and welcome to the strings lecture. Here, we're going to be going over the string data type, as well as some of its operators and methods. We've already worked with a string before, which you may recognize as the string Hello World from our Hello World program. We can create a string by simply enclosing characters in single or double quotes. Often, we want to access a specific substring, meaning a portion of a string. We can do this using square brackets to slice along the indences that we're interested in. As an example, we can create the variable hello equals hello world. Now, we can retrieve the first character using hello 0 and retrieve hello using hello 0 to 4. I think you'll have noticed that we use the index of 0 and not 1 to retrieve the h from hello. That's because character index values are 0 indexed, meaning that they start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This contrasts starting from 1 and continuing onward. When we learn about lists or arrays, you'll see that they function similarly. Okay, so let's list off some string operators. Some simple operators include concatenation and repetition. Concatenation allows us to add the values on either side of the string, like so, or as another example, we can take our variable hello and concatenate today onto it. Repetition, on the other hand, concatenates multiple copies of the same string, like so. Although this may seem trivial, these operators are incredibly useful for handling string data and speeding what would be a longer manual process, say if you were to print out x times instead of using the repetition operator. In our exercises, we'll use some of these operators. We covered how to slice a string earlier, so the last operator that we'll be covering is in. We can check if a character or another string exists within a string, returning true if it does and false otherwise. Let's try an example. We can check for he and hello. As you can see, it returns true. If we check for W in hello, it returns false as expected. That's about it for this lecture, so I'll see you shortly in the next one.